So the next question in interview room, it may ask you, what is method hiding? What is method hiding, or the difference in between method overriding and hiding? Difference in between method overriding and hiding, guys. Okay. So suppose in superclass we write a static method. Suppose in superclass we write a static method, and that static method also we write in it's a subclass, into it's a subclass. That concept is called method hiding. That concept is called method hiding, guys. Okay. So the superclass static method, same static method we write into its subclass. That concept is called method hiding, guys. Okay. Let's say, okay, let's discuss with some with example. Suppose I have class, suppose I have class A37. Okay, A37. Okay, and then we have class B37. We have class A37 and B37. B37 is the child of A37. Okay, is the subclass of A37. And then suppose we write public void and M1 method S out. Okay, I will say super class method. Okay, and then the same method we write in subclass. So suppose we write subclass method. Okay. So suppose this method we call, okay, this concept is called method overriding. Okay, this concept we will say method overriding. Method overriding. Okay, method overriding. This concept is called method overriding. And then suppose we call such a method by using, okay, A37, A1, new A37. Okay, and then suppose I said A1.M1, A1.M1. So we are calling this M1 method by using the reference of A1 object of the reference of 37, A37. Okay, reference of A37, object of A37. So the method from this class will get executed. Okay, the reference and the object, okay, both having same type. Okay, we have a reference of A37. This is called reference. This is called reference, and this is called object. So we have reference and object having same type. So this method will get executed. But suppose we have a class B37 object, okay, B37 B1, okay, and B1 dot M1. So the subclass method will get executed here. Okay, but suppose we have different type, like suppose I declare A37 A2 A37 A2 and the object of, okay, B37, object of B37. Okay, object having, okay, object of object, okay, object of subclass. Okay, and the reference of superclass. Okay, and then by using that superclass reference, suppose we call M1 method. Suppose we call M1 method. Okay, so the object version will get called. Object version will get called. Okay, object version, because object having which type? Object having, okay, which type? Subclass type. So object version will get called. In method overriding, okay, which version will get called? Will get execute? Object version. Okay, but suppose we write a method hiding concept. Method hiding, we will say method hiding right now. Method hiding. So method hiding we can write by using static, and then here we will say again static. Okay, so now we have static and static method. Okay, static method in superclass, static method in subclass also. So this concept is called method hiding, guys. When we write static method in superclass and the same method we write in subclass. Okay, so now this concept is called method hiding. And then at that time, suppose we create the object of superclass and the object and reference having same type. Okay, and here again object and reference having same type. So in this case superclass version will get called, in this case subclass version will get called, but in this case we have object of object of subclass. Okay, but the reference of which class? Superclass. So now you can see guys, so which version will get called? Superclass. Okay, superclass. Okay, in method hiding reference version, okay, will get execute. Okay, in this case, if we write, okay, in method hiding, in this case reference version will get execute. Okay, and in method overriding object version will get execute. This is the smallest difference in between method overriding and method hiding, guys. Okay, thank you.